Alright, demonstrate Compustar Reservation mode. Remote start on a manual. Just pulled in the house. Leave it in neutral. Set the parking brake. Alright. Compustar remote. Hit remote start once. Hold. Single beat. That sets reservation mode. Get out of the vehicle. Chop, chop. Locks the doors. Shuts the car off. Arms. It's now armed. It's now ready for a remote start. It's in reservation mode. This is pretty cool. Compustar remote, remote start. Chop, chop.